Complex topics explained like you're 10 years old. I finally understood quantum physics. One simple prompt. Here's how.
I was reading about blockchain for my comp sci class. Every explanation used technical jargon, words like cryptographic hash and distributed ledger. My brain just shut off. Then I asked ChatGPT to explain it like I'm 10 years old. Suddenly made perfect sense. Used a lemonade stand analogy, finally got it.
The phrase is explain this like I'm 10 years old. That's it. Add it to any topic. Physics, economics, philosophy, whatever. The AI drops all jargon, uses simple words, gives relatable examples. A kid would actually understand. Watch this. I'll ask it to explain photosynthesis. Regular explanation uses chloroplasts and glucose molecules. Now with the 10-year-old prompt, look at this. Plants are like tiny solar-powered factories. Sunlight is the electricity. Water and air are the ingredients. The factory makes food and releases oxygen. That's photosynthesis. Perfect. I use this for every hard concept now. Economics, computer science, chemistry, all of it. My test scores went up because I actually understand the basics first. Then I can handle the complex stuff. Start simple. Build from there. That's how learning works. Pro tip. If the 10-year-old explanation is still confusing, say, explain simpler. Or use an example about toys or video games. The AI will adjust. Also works with explain like I'm 5 for even simpler. Try this on your hardest subject. Comment what topic you need simplified. Hit subscribe for more study hacks. Go understand something. Thanks for watching. Like if this makes learning easier, share with struggling friends. More AI learning tricks coming soon.